So what does your father do?
My father actually he is a carpenter.
He's a carpenter. Okay. Right now, where does he live in? He lives in Kishigot?
Yes.
How many
Kishigot.
sisters do you have?
I have two brothers, younger two brothers.
Two brothers. Okay. So what's your future plan? What do you want to be in future?
I want to become a businessman or a Korean language tutor.
Okay. Right now you are doing job, right?
Yeah.
So why you want to convert yourself to a businessman? By whom have you been impressed for being that?
I don't understand your talk.
Okay. Right now you are a service holder, right? You do the job.
Yes.
But
Yes.
why do you want to convert yourself? নিজেকে পরিবর্তন করতে যাচ্ছেন কোথায়? To a businessman, or
Yes.
by whom have you been impressed for being that? কার মাধ্যমে আপনি অনুপ্রাণিত হয়েছেন বিজনেসম্যান হওয়ার জন্য?
It's like my friends or my younger brother.
Oh.
He's already doing business. Our glass, furniture glass. We are selling this product.
Okay, so he has been established. For that reason you've been decided to be that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, investor me. He is পরিচালনা
He is leading, right?
He's leading. He's doing leading that.
Okay, so you are in Singapore for the long time. So would you please share with us that what things attract you a lot in Singapore? কোন জিনিসটা আপনাকে বেশি অনুপ্রাণিত করে?
Actually, sir, I'm from South Korea.
Oh, South Korea, right.
South Korea, I most like there's culture and there's foods and there's মানবতা. I most like there's humanity and there's culture and there's foods. Everything is
Everything you like most. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much. So now you say when will you visit Bangladesh again?
Sir, I will visit next year March.
Next year March. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Deepu, for joining with us. Now আমরা আরেকটা conversation শুনবো. We will hear another conversation by Sabrina Akhtar Rupa. Okay, how are you up today? Are you hearing me?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Sorry to
salam.
late.
Okay, no problem. So are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so another one, কাকে বলবো? আব্দুস সালাম ভাই, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
Okay, so we will make the conversation with each other. Miss Rupa and Abdus Salam will make the conversation with together. Abdus Salam ভাই, মনে করেন আপনি অনেক দিন পরে একজন আপনি রূপা আপু কোথায় আছেন? Where are you right now living?
I am right now living, sir, Dokhin Khan. Uttara Dokhin Khan.
So Mr. Abdus Salam bhai, you just introduce with her and you know about the Dokhin Khaner অবস্থা কি, ওইটা কেন কিসের জন্য বিখ্যাত, ওনার elaborately আপনি জানেন একজনের সাথে conversation. We will hear that. Okay, so start.
Okay, sir. Hello, Rupa. Are you listening me?
Yes, bro. I am listening you.
How are you?
What about you? Oh, sorry. I am fine.
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. By the grace of Allah. You now at present
I am sitting on this chair and I am conversation with you.
How many family member in you?
My family member has I have 4 family members in my family. My husband, 2 children, and me. And how's your family members?
There are 6 family member in my family. 3 sister and 1 brother. I'm last issue of my parents. Do you study or job?
No, I'm a housewife now. But I am digital marketer and becoming freelancer. I learn spoken English and I learn freelancing. It's very well.
Which sector do the work? Fiverr, freelancer, or digital marketing, or Facebook, or etc marketing?
I am a digital marketer and I works in SEO and YouTube marketing, social media marketing, etc.
Or do you know SEO expert? Online marketing SEO expert.
A little bit, and I am learning now. What is your job, bro?
I'm a student.
What class do you reading?
On a 3rd year. Where do you joining from?
I am joining from Uttara, Dokhin Khan, and you?
And you joining from Mr. Abdul Salam?
I'm joining from Uttara, and you?
I am joining from Uttara too. My area is Dokhin Khan, and what is your area name?
What does your husband do the work?
My husband is a job holder in Disco company. What is you know? What does you know Disco company?
Yes, I know little bit Disco company.
Very good.
Where is the best Dokhin Khan place? Can I note that about that area?
I live in Dokhin Khan at 12 years old. So I feel good this area. It's very it's very beautiful place.
How many visited area with your husband?
আচ্ছা আমি একটু ক্লাসে আছি অনলাইন ক্লাসে
Such as
No,
example Kognizer, Select, or etc.
No, bro. Because I'm long years. I'm very sick in long years, so I don't visit often. 5 years.
What is your favorite food and hobby?
My favorite food is Bengali food, and my hobbies is gardening. So, may I know what is your favorite hobby?
Or can you cook all item? Know that?
Yeah, bro. I cook all items, all Bengali items, and fast food items.
all fast food. Do you know how to cook, how to make, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine, that's good. So hope you will feed us, huh? Or some cakes.
Sir, I I am learning কি বলে
How to?
I did a course, fast food course, learning. So I mix all fast food items.
That's great. So thank you very much for joining with us today, for having conversation with Mr. Abdul Salam Bhai. So that was very nice conversation between you and Abdul Salam.
I'm joining from Nilphamari.
Nilphamari. Okay. So would you please tell me that why Nilphamari is very much popular in Bangladesh?
Actually, there is no famous place. And
Is Nilphamari near about the border area?
No, sir. There are 30-kilometer distance about the border.
Okay. So how long time have you been in Nilphamari? Is that your birthplace?
Yes, sir. This is my birthplace.
Are you a student or service holder?
I'm a student, both service holder.
Okay. Where do you work right now?
Sir, I'm conversation with you.
You are working in? What's the name of your company?
The CSP, Classical Handmade Products. This is
What
my.
does your company do? What kinds of products is that marketing company, a marketing based company or product based company?
Product-based company, sir.
Assalamualaikum. How are you, brother, today?
Fine, sir. And you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, fine. Where are you joining from?
Sir, I am joining from Chatpur.